Vlogmas day
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But today is actually Sunday fun day, December the 13th, guys. I'm almost caught up with Vlogmas. Holy Moly, Brownstown. I appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in, subscribing, and checking out all the videos, sharing our videos, guys. We appreciate you guys. We love Brownstown, and we are glad that you're a part of our subscriber nation, guys. We appreciate you so much. But this is Vlogmas Day 12. We're almost caught up, guys. Holy moly, even though today's the 13th. Hopefully, I'll get up Vlogmas Day 13 tonight before 12 o'clock. Holy moly, it's a lot of work, guys. Normally, I put up 3 to 4 videos a month, guys. Holy moly. But Brownstown, I do it for you. And I love recording. I love what I do. I love editing, guys. It's a lot of work, guys. But I'm putting up these videos each and every day. So I hope you guys are just ecstatic about it. Any video that you haven't seen, please go back and rewatch the videos, guys. Watching the videos helps us out, guys. It helps us a lot. I don't want to talk too much, but I want you guys to enjoy this commercial job of the day. My buddy Dwayne from Littleton Floor and Carpet Cleaning. And his buddy, I think his name is T. Big Baby came in there. I forgot his name, but he's an awesome guy too as well. And they took care of VCT flooring. And oh my goodness, I got another crazy part of this video that you guys want to see and crack up laughing at. But I just hope you enjoyed the last vlog, the tiny house vlog, the motivational speaking vlog. I hope you guys can just enjoy it. And I really appreciate you so much. And also the giveaway, the first giveaway will be at 5,000 subscribers, guys. I don't know if I'm giving away some pop sockets, some Brown's professional carpet care masks. I don't know what I'm giving away first. And then when we hit 50K subscribers, holy moly, that's the first workhorse giveaway. And then 100,000 subscribers, the second workhorse giveaway. And then we're headed to 1,000,000 subscribers, guys. And the giveaways, holy moly! But Brownstown, I talked about 2 minutes now, so I know you guys ready to get on to Vlogmas, but I just had to talk to you guys a little bit first before we go in and relax. My feet is up, ready for my Washington football team to play today at 4 o'clock. But other than that, I'm just working on these videos, guys, and just pushing for 2021. It's time to be great, Brownstown. And with your help, we will be great together. So with that being said, Brownstown, enjoy the vlog. Vlogmas Day 12. And hopefully tonight we'll put up Vlogmas Day 13. And if you're watching this, and I didn't put up Vlogmas Day 13, I'm sorry. But we'll be caught up soon, Brownstown.
Brownstown.
Andre Brown's Professional Carpet Care. First and foremost, thank you for tuning into the vlogs of the day. This is the second job of the day, Wednesday, November the 25th, the day before Thanksgiving. Here on the second job of the day, we did an estimate here probably 2 weeks ago, guys, to do the carpets and the VCT flooring.
So of course we're going to warp, start with an empty canister and the vacuuming, guys.
Holy moly, it's a whole bunch of leaves and debris.
Second job of the day, Wednesday, November the 25th, and look at the carpets, guys. I did an estimate here probably about 2 weeks ago. Look at this. Holy moly, this gonna be awesome. Look at this, guys. Look at all that. Holy moly. And I got Littleton flooring and carpet cleaning here. And we're doing the VCT flooring here. Stripping, waxing, 3 coats. Yeah, you've seen that guy in the vlog before. You've seen this guy in the vlog before. Look at that shirt. Look at that shirt. The Gatorade guy. Hey, he's here. Oh yeah, now another one. Another big guy. We 3 on the squad today. 3 on the scene today. Take care of it here. And then look at this closet here. Look at that. I gotta do in here and in here. Holy moly.
And where is this guy going? Where are you going? Why are you walking through my intro? Yes, you! Turn that way. No, I was turned your way. No, I was not. Littleton's floor and carpet cleaning. Yes, sir. And of course, Brownstown is about networking with the guys in the area. Not about hate. It's about helping each other make more money each and every day. But Brownstown is going, so see exactly what we gotta do, and it's warping time. Warping time!
Follow us on Instagram.
I'll talk about warping. Holy moly.
Oh,
Brownstown.
Oh, yeah. Puffing out. Getting it in.
Follow us on Instagram.
Oh, yeah. can see what wasn't done right there. Look at that, guys. Holy moly, Brownstown. Wait till the wax get on there. Whew.
Brownstown.
What are you doing? What do I mean? Give me that much oil. So we don't have that space around. Oh, I'm gonna go back over this part. Okay. You overlap it. Okay, gotcha. Everything will be even basically, pretty much. Cool. But that stripper, once I even I go right here, it's gonna spit over. I got you. Anyway, yeah. So that's alright, guys. Got a plan. What do you know? This little white thing. Where'd that come from? Look at that. Oh, well, let me get it back now.
And we're starting with an empty new canister. Brownstone. that. Look at that, Brownstown. Now let's dump it out somewhere.
Holy moly. How long was I in there vacuuming Brownstown? What the? It was just light outside when I started vacuuming, but Brownstown. Holy moly, let's find somewhere to dump it. I can't even see out here.
It's so dark out here. Oh yeah, it's all kinds of. Holy moly. Holy moly. Not bad, bro. Spot was here prior to us cleaning. Not a rip that we cause paint. Okay, let's see what this is. I know what they can do for you.
Gotta hike your pants up a little bit, right? Ease up down. He said you gotta ease down. Ease up. You go too fast. I went face first.
That's what you usually did the stairs, wasn't it?
Huh?
You used that for the stairs, didn't you?
Yeah, spots like this.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
Hey, bro, did you see that, bro? Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Oh, shoot.
First coat. Ooh, shiny.
Finished up. Woo. Woo. You can hear the echo off of that reflection. Woo.
Follow us on Instagram.
Got this bathroom. Man, them floors came out great, guys.
Holy moly!
Town.
I don't get to use truck now stuff off.
Huh?
I don't get to use stuff truck now off.
Sir. You know you didn't, sir. Now you got it. Thank you, sir. Come on, man. I'm gonna teach you how you treat your workers. Hey, big boy.
On Instagram.
Big man, come on, big man. All right, over there.
Grounds
All right. They go across. What about this right here?
I got that.
You got that?
I got that.
All right, let's go, man.
No, I don't work with Brownstown no more.
Come on now. What you mean you ain't gonna work with Brownstown?
I ain't working with Brownstown no more.
Well, this your second vlog you in. Ain't that crazy? In a year.
I stopped working with Brownstown 5 years ago. Ever since they stopped serving fried chicken for breakfast,
Look.
I quit.
Brownstown. We're closing out of the vlog of the day. Actually, the second job of the day.
If you're new, hit the subscribe button right now. Hit the notification bell on all options. The notification bell so you won't miss a video.
D. Littleton floor and carpet cleaning. And we got the VCT floor master technician. As a matter of fact, watch this video real quick.
Brownstown. Follow us on Instagram.
The guy that just fell in that video that I just showed you, he is a VCT floor master. Yeah, the one that just fell in the video, you know, the one that I just... Anyway, Brownstown, so we're here finishing up. And
I told them guys they can leave. Their job is done. But they said one band, one sound. We came together. We all going to leave together. So he's finishing spraying, and I'm going to extract out. But the carpets came out beautiful, guys. The floors came out beautiful. New commercial client, very happy already. Woo! And it's Thanksgiving tomorrow, guys. So enjoy your holiday. Happy Thanksgiving. Holy Lord!
But it's a little dark for the chocolate milk, but I'm still do it. Brownstown, always stay focused, always stay motivated, always inspire somebody else. Always be better than you were yesterday. Make your family happy, make yourself proud, and be the best that you can be. And I love you all so much from the bottom of my heart, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Steam coming up, Brownstown. Wait, I did the outro, and I'm cleaning and still recording. Y'all remember how these floors looked in, y'all? Look at that. Look at that. How dirty it came out. Oh yeah, those were dirty. Those were dirty. And it stinks. Yeah.
Holy moly, Brownstown. See you next vlog. It stinks too bad. Gotta go. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button right now.